ready, man?
Party people in the place to be. It's about that time for us to.
Yeah, what you know?
Malolele, warm Pacific greetings. My name is Lavinia Uhila and I'm the director of the show Angels Reborn here at the Basement Theatre. So Angels is jam-packed with young people exploring ideas of faith, music, of loyalty within friendships, of sacrifice. And so we see them in the journey. It's based in the 90s, seeing these young people sort of wrestle with some of these questions. It's got music in there, they've got a live band playing as well, so high energy, Samoan comedy, all up in their grill. Let's go find the angels.
East, west, every state, come on, bury the hate. Millions, the only thing we in the heavy to make. Whether from the ex-friend, intellect, or bins, let's begin. Bring this BS to an end. Come on.
And so not only do they have to perform and put on a good show, they also have to set change. And check out the beautiful angels.
Probably about maybe 10 years ago, we had this idea to write a play about women in a band. And Joy and I were in a band. In many bands, we sang together quite a long time ago down in Christchurch. So we floated the idea with some of our senior members at Pacific Underground, and they were all like, yeah, do it, do it, do it. And it took us a while to write it. So we did, finally. It took us about probably 4 or 5 years to actually write it, workshop it.
Yeah, and it's a good experience for the young people too. Just to throw them on stage and give them a script.
My name's Mila and I play Stevie. Stevie is the leader of a band and she's very, very passionate about her music. Getting to do the music was really fun. Lots of us didn't play instruments, or I didn't sing, and now I have quite a few solos in the show.
I'm Josephine and I play Sing from Angels Reborn, and Sing is all about God. When I'm struggling like this, I pray. And they'll sing because I'm free. His eyes is on the boring.
So I think there's a lot of common themes within not just our Pacific culture, but in our Pacific stories, and I totally relate to it. I just get the privilege of bringing that to life. So
I'm not allowed to be a girlfriend. It's not God's will.
God, my competition, right? We're not 10 years old anymore.
Like everything's changing.
But Sing, it's time to move things along.
I don't want things to change.
Yeah, well I do. Let's do it. I want to commit to you and you and me.
Commit? By doing what? Is this why you brought me here? Is this your way of coming here?
No!
Sully really kind of wants to emulate his inner Will Smith, but like he thinks he's a hit with the ladies, but he's not. There are different parts of the play where we play different ages. At first we play little kids, like 10-year-olds, and then we grow up into like our late teens.
I think the main messages is like friendship, love, and love for God, and also like knowing your pathway, being confident with what you are doing.